My friends, what do you do if you're in a survival situation? There's no one around for miles, you have no tools, a hurricane, a tornado, something went through, your electric can opener doesn't work, and you need some chicken noodle soup and you have no tools. What would you do in an emergency situation? See, no one's around for miles, trash litters the streets. Okay, so here's what you do. This lid right here, you take this and you go to like a surface, like an abrasive type surface, maybe here, maybe a parking spot, and go ahead and do this. And you start scratching the surface. Now, you might lose some liquid. You might lose some liquid doing this, but as you can see, it's already coming open. So be careful, don't hurt yourself. So let's go ahead and go here. Maybe some liquid we lost, but hopefully not the chicken noodles. Let's go ahead and go here. And just kind of look at what you've done and keep moving around. Let's see. We're working at it. The can's coming loose. It's coming loose. Let's do this part right here. All right, we are seriously getting places. Please do not cut your finger if you do this. Okay, let's just try this. I'm losing the juice, but whatever. This is survival. Now you might be able to get a stick or maybe something, maybe finish that off, or please don't hurt your finger. Don't cut your finger. Okay, my friends, that is how we lost some juice. My friends, that is how you open a can in a survival situation when there's no one around to help. And you have no electric can opener. There you go. My friends, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. God loves you. You're amazing. Bye for now.